يا مرحبا ويا مسهلا، رجعنا لكم في جزء ثاني من موزاج شو. الحين راح نبدأ أول حلقة من سيزن 2. سيزن 2 راح يكون مختلف جدا لأن راح تكون عندنا ضيفة. كل الحلقات موجودة لأنها مطلوبة صراحة، فقلنا بنغير. هالسيزن راح يكون كل حلقة غير، بعيد عن القصص، راح يكون أكثر تحديات ومعلومات. المهم أن سدرة موجودة اليوم عندنا. هاي سدرة.
Hi, her favorite guest from season 1 is here again.
Yeah. سدرة، اليوم راح نتكلم أنا وهي عن اللغات. بيكون في تحدي لغات بما أن أنا عربية وهي بنجابي.
Punjabi, yeah.
فراح نتكلم، راح نسوي ألعاب بسيطة إن شاء الله، وراح نشوف أنا عارفة شوي وهي تعرف شوي عربي، فراح نستخدم
My script is ready.
هالمعلومات ونلعب ألعاب تحديات اليوم.
Yeah.
شو راح نبدأ فيها؟ What are we starting with?
Okay, you start first.
اوكي. فيرست اول شيء راح نجيب كلمات ونشوف شو معانيها يعني باللغتين. مثلا if I say water, how do you call it in Punjabi?
Pani. Actually, the Punjabi and the Urdu word is like it's the same. Yeah, it's pani.
Okay. Pani.
Yeah.
الحين نسميها ماي.
Pan. Okay, Arabic is mai.
Yeah.
Mai.
So it's
Mai
like-
or okay, mai.
ماي.
Mai. Okay.
مية.
Mia is 100. Mia is 100, right? Mia,
That's
Mia.
مية. This is مية. مية is like in pure Arabic, like فصحى.
That's exactly what I said. Mia is 100 by 100. 100 on 100.
مية.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. 100 درهم. صح.
See, whatever I heard, I just write it down. Okay, next.
Blanket.
Blanket in Punjabi.
Yeah.
Okay, so like literal Punjabi, it will be called case. Case.
Case.
Case. Not case. Case with
خيس. You're saying خا.
kha.
خيس.
No, not case. Case.
Case.
Case, yes.
خيس.
This reminds me of Shah Rukh Khan's scene from My Name is Khan. Have you watched that movie?
Khan.
Khan, from Epiglottis.
خان.
Okay. So yeah, it's called case. What do we
تعلمنا
say?
كلمة جديدة. Blanket. We say
Malabis? Oh, that's clothes surgery.
we say like غطاء أو برنوس أو like there's so many different words.
But what's like that one word?
لحاف.
Lahaf?
Yeah.
That's like everyday blanket?
Blanket, yeah.
Lahaf?
لحاف.
Oh, okay, lahaf. Fine. Next.
Chair. We say kursi, you know that.
So do we.
Kursi.
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 Could be Indian as well that we're using it, like
yeah.
Urdu.
Yeah.
عادي
Kursi.
يعني.
I mean, I don't think there'll be like a Punjabi word for chair. I think kursi it is.
وسدرة من البنجابي الباكستاني, not the Indian one.
Yeah.
So
but
I
it's,
think
it's
that's-
like it's like very much similar. But yeah,
Just in
you'll
case
have your
they-
differences.
Okay.
Do you wanna Google what chair is in Punjabi, by the way? Just before it goes.
فيل جايبينها نحن انها تعرف بنجابي بس هي ما تعرف شيء.
No. Kursi it is.
كرسي.
Kursi.
Okay. At least it's the same. I heard as well كتاب. It's the same.
Kitab is book.
We call book
Oh yeah,
كتاب
yeah.
as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Any other words? You
I
think that's similar?
Wait, I know. No, I can't think of anything right now. But I think the more we say, we'd know. Kursi is the same. Kitab is the same. I think ikra, reading.
اقرأ.
Ikra, kirat. I think the tenses are different, but it has the same meaning.
Okay. قيرت.
Yeah, but that's like very much Urdu. I don't think if it's Punjabi. Anyways, next word.
Well,
I'm losing on this episode so bad. Okay. What do you have next?
well, I don't know.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, then in the next segment, we're doing tongue twisters. Okay, she has some tongue twisters in Arabic. I have some tongue twisters in Punjabi and Hindi. I've picked like popular ones, easy ones, and difficult ones. So who's gonna go first? You gonna go first?
I'll say if it's easy or not.
It's easy. Popular ones, easy ones.
هي كلمات صعبة اللي تكون يعني لازم تكررها 5 مرات تقريبا أو 3 مرات.
Yeah.
أنا بعطيها أول شيء أول جملة.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know what you're
I'll say the first sentence. Okay,
Yeah.
in Arabic.
Yeah, you. So this is for me, right? Okay.
هاي. خيط حرير على خيط خليل.
خيط حرير.
خيط حرير على حيط خليل.
Yeah,
The first one in Arabic.
Okay. How many times am I supposed to say it? 5 times.
5.
Okay. خيط حرير على حيط خليل.
حيط خليل.
حيط.
هاي.
Okay. بسم الله.
Start.
Okay. خيط حرير على حيط خليل. 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 Where are your claps?
Almost.
Jealous people.
Almost, yeah.
Okay, now next one is for you.
Okay.
Okay, easy one. False ka fasla. Just for you to understand. Fasla is distance. Falsa is some sort of a berry. So, false ka fasla.
فالسيكا فاصلة.
Huh.
فالسيكا فاصلة فالسيكا فاصلة فالسيكا فاصلة فالسيكا فاصلة فالسيكا فاصلة. That's very easy one.
No, then I have another one. That's not fair.
Okay.
Okay, you do kacha papad, pakka papad.
Again.
Kacha papad.
Can I read?
Yeah, the first one.
Kacha papar, paka papar? Kacha papar, paka papar. Kacha papar, paka papar. Kacha papar, paka papar.
Yes!
What does it mean?
It means, so papad is like snack, like chips.
I know
sort of-
papar, the one you eat in the...
Yeah, so
as
kacha
a
papad,
starter.
like not cooked papad, and pakka papad, like cooked papad.
Okay, 1 for me and 0 for you.
How is that? No, 1 for me, 0 for you. Excuse me.
I said the first one, فاصلة ما فاصلة.
Yeah, but that was like too easy. I'm going to take that off
What?
the script. No,
You
no,
said-
no, no, no. You gave me Khet, Kharir, Het, Khalil, whatever that
You
means.
didn't
You gave
even
me that.
say it right. It was خيط حرير على خيط.
So what's the score now? 1-1? That's a 1-1.
خلاص okay 1-1.
Okay, now second.
Next. لحم الحمام حلال ولحم الحمار حرام.
Yeah, is this a book?
سهلة.
Listen, my
Say it.
tongue twisters are so easy.
For
Look
you,
at yours.
for you.
Halal,
Say the second one.
hamam. What is that?
لحم
Laham al-hamam. Laham is meat.
Yeah.
Hamam is bathroom.
لا. حمام. That's حمام. This is حمام. حمام means pigeon.
Halal wal laham al ham. I know. So the pigeon's meat is halal and the donkey's meat is haram.
Yeah. But this is a tongue twister.
Yeah, I know. Can I like at least flaunt whatever I know of Arabic?
Good.
Okay. Okay.
لحم الحمام.
لحم الحمام. Okay. لحم الحمام halal ولحم الحمار حرام. لحم الحمام halal ولحم الحمار حرام. لحم الحمام. I don't know. Fine. Okay. 0. Now see next one.
يلا.
Okay, brace yourself. I was being kind. डब्बी चाटी चाटने चाट गई चटनी.
You can say it. Say
Yes.
it 5 times.
No, this is your competition.
You have to say it
Did you
first.
just give me? No.
Dabbi cha Dabbi chati chutney. Chat gay chutney. That's too much. Dabbi chati chutney chat gay chutney. Dabbi chati chutney chat gay chutney.
Yeah, 3 more.
Dabbi chati chutney chat gay chutney. Dabbi chati chutney chat gay chutney.
What is going on? How are you getting everything?
This is my tongue is twisted.
That was a good one. That was actually brilliant.
Okay, I have one more for you.
Okay, I also have one more. Yeah.
صفحة 7 صعبة. You can read it. This one.
Okay. Yeah.
صفحة 7 صعبة.
Safha Saba. So page number 7. Saba.
Saba.
Easy. No,
No,
that's
hard.
Sahla. Oh, that's a hard. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'll never learn this language. Safha Sab. Okay, wait. Safha Saba Saba. Okay. Safha Saba Saba. Safha Saba Saba. Safha Saba Saba. Safha Saba Saba.
You made it all scene. It is the scene and sad thing. So you have to say صفحة.
This is not a pronunciation
Sab'a.
segment.
Yeah, if I say صفحة 7 7 7, it's all gonna be easy.
So are you saying I lost again?
It's okay.
Can we can
We
you
want
cut so that I
nothing.
can go home?
You can drink your coffee.
Oh yeah, okay. My coffee is also such a mess. Okay. Because I'm drinking something cold, guys. Hence the straw.
أخذنا كوفي بريك والأخت أكلت.
Also because I have sensitive teeth along with a sensitive heart. What am I
With
saying?
a sensitive tongue.
Okay.
إنزين. Do you want to say another one?
I do have another one, but you already said in the break that you don't like it.
Which one? Say it to me.
Guddi da gudda, guddi nal bhangra pave.
Gudita gudda, gudda.
Yeah, at least try this because you got everything. Try this one.
Gudida gudda, gudda naal bangra pave.
Yeah.
Gudida gudda, guddi naal bangra pave. Gudida gudda, guddi naal bangra pave.
3, 2 more.
Gudida gudda, guddi naal bangra pave.
Yeah, you got it. You got everything. I feel like you're a Punjabi from inside.
Could be. I have no. I
Also,
know.
by the way,
I
this
know.
person, this person is a major Diljit Dosanjh
Yeah.
fan. Are you going for his concert?
Of course,
Really, you're going?
I am going.
Are you in Golden Circle?
That was sold out in like 1 minute.
Okay, fine. Imagine,
But I'll try to go anyway.
imagine
I'll go.
Moza in Diljit Dosanjh concert.
And no
Why
one will
Pateri
see me.
meri milne?
No one will see me. I'll be like
You're like full mask. You're like,
full mask and everything. Nobody should know me.
okay, when you're talking about songs, the next
Yes.
segment is we have Bollywood songs, English translations, when we have to guess each other's which song it is. Like this is actually very much inspired by Coffee with Karan.
I'm gonna be failing this one لأن أنا ما أعرف المعاني. I know the songs. I don't know the meaning.
Yeah.
And if you're gonna flip it to English,
This one listens to so many songs all the time. Literally, like when you came to pick me up, when I came inside, there's another song going on.
Wait a second. أول شيء, I was waiting for you half an hour. What do you wanted me to do?
I was doing something very important.
Well,
I'm always doing something very important.
aren't we all?
Okay, fine.
You
Okay.
wanna start?
You have the first one, or you want to go first?
Okay. So it says thief marketing of 2 eyes. It was a habit earlier, now it's gone. The age of our love, which came, has now been cut short.
What? Can you
If
say
you
the first?
don't know it, how am I supposed to know?
Thief?
Thief marketing of 2 eyes.
Thief marketing of 2 eyes? Marketing? Thief marketing of 2 eyes.
It was a
तेरे
habit
मस्त
earlier.
दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन?
No, I have the answer. Chor bazari do neno ki.
Oh, yeah. You know what? Listen to mine. The sun has dimmed. The moon has started burning. The sky has started melting. Why is it melting?
This is all the songs. Is that Gerwa?
No. It's a Shah Rukh Khan song though. The sun has dimmed. The moon has started burning.
You're saying like Shah Rukh Khan movie, like he did only one movie. It's like,
It's from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Come on.
ah.
The sun has dimmed. Okay.
In Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, I think there is only one romantic song. And that's
Yeah, this is too easy, Moza.
Dhoop se, no?
That is Geroa. You're
I'm stuck
Geroa
there.
so
I don't
much.
only know that one. Wait.
Suraj hua madham. That one. That one. Well, okay, listen, this segment is like super difficult for both of us. Okay, what do you have next?
The second one is also from the same movie, I think. I think they only did it on
Did
that
you
movie.
just do one?
Did you just Google the same one I Googled? Okay, it says bride's friend is like a silk thread.
What?
Bride's friend is like a silk thread. She's secretly shy.
Bano ki saheli, resham ki doi.
Yeah.
Correct, right? Oh, 1 point for me. Okay, next one. Okay, listen, this is going to be difficult for you. The heart wants never. The bride days never pass. The heart wants we will never be without friends.
Dil chahta hai. I'll tell you why.
Because you have it in
No. No. No, when I was coming, the radio was on.
And it
this
was this
song was
song?
coming. And he was saying it in English.
in
the
English?
meaning.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Wow.
That's actually a nice song. It's a nice movie. Did you watch the movie?
No.
You did not watch Dil Chahta Hai?
So I don't feel like I'm gonna be relatable if I watch it now. It's not that relatable.
It's actually an older version of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Yeah, I didn't like that one. Oh,
Can we cut
Zindagi
this
Na
because if this goes out there, Mora will be.
Wait,
Moza will be viral.
is that for Hrithik Roshan one?
Yeah.
yeah, that was nice. Okay,
Yeah, that's
I
what
thought
I'm saying.
it's
What
something
are you
else.
saying? Yeah, the Moza will be viral for the wrong
Okay,
reason.
I have another one.
Okay, okay.
Our talks have become famous. Never take me out of your sight. Where are you going? Where are you going? This is a
Hamari-
new movie.
Our talks are famous.
Yeah.
Hamari,
Never take me out of your sight.
do you know? Do you have the movie?
Yeah.
Movie name? Give me the movie name. Sher Shah? Oh, तेरी मेरी गल्ला हो गई राता लंबिया. Yes, I got it. I actually did not think you would go past 2 questions, so I only have actually 2.
Hello.
Yeah.
Because I wouldn't guess anymore.
Yeah. You are also
I
done.
wouldn't guess.
Okay, well, okay, let's just do one more. Let's just do one more.
This one you might know though. I have one.
Okay.
It says, I swear, I swear, I swear I love you. Only you. You know this one.
Kasam
Because you were
ki
doing a
kasam.
video on it.
कसम की कसम है
Yeah.
कसम से हमको
No,
प्यार है.
yeah.
What a movie. My favorite movie, actually. I've made so many views of this movie. I swear to God. I've been catching
Really?
on this
I
movie.
felt it was very cringy movie.
What the hell was that movie, anyways?
Now it turned to the movie.
I swear, every time I look at Hrithik Roshan in that movie, Auntie!
I think he was asked to exaggerate maybe.
That was crazy.
So
actually.
he had to do that. I heard him saying that.
Yeah, yeah. He came on an interview and he said, like, God alone knows what was he doing. Auntie, uncle.
اوكي. خلصنا من هاي. عندنا الحين تحدي ثاني اللي هو لازم تترجم، بعطيها كلمات بالانجلش لازم تترجمها بسرعة بالعربي. حلو؟
Hello. Sorry, hello. Yes,
حلو.
ready.
Okay, I do exercise. How do you say it in Arabic?
I do exercise. What is exercise in Arabic? Warzish? No, that's Urdu.
What? Kurdish? What did you just say?
Warzish?
ورزش؟ أنا أسوي ورزش اليوم. ما ورزش كرتي هو.
Just give me Arabic word for exercise. What is it?
رياضة.
Riyada. Okay. Ana do is what is do? I don't know.
You know.
I know, but like it's not. Ana riyada al-yawm. That's I exercised
سوي؟
today. Sawi?
أنا أسوي رياضة.
Ana sawi riyada.
ما شاء الله.
Inshallah.
ما شاء الله.
Ana
كلها غلط.
sawi riyada al-yawm inshallah.
Last one.
Give me that other one.
I am a foodie.
Oh my
Which
God.
describes you.
I am a foodie, yeah.
Where is it written?
I'm looking for the
Clues?
I'm looking for the guy. So he can tell me.
A cheater. I am
A foodie.
Oh.
Okay, just give me food in Arabic. Give me food in Arabic.
أكل.
No, food.
أكل.
Akal?
Yeah.
Akal is eat, genius.
أكل. معناته أكل. See, Arabic is very complicated language.
Give me the first one which I answered in the break. Why don't you give me that?
I like potatoes.
Ana uhibbi batata. Let's put an end to this. Can we end on a victory note?
Wow.
Hey,
Okay,
it
do you
was
have
fun.
something for me?
In Punjabi?
I will say it in Punjabi. You say something very... Give me an English.
Okay. Okay, the same thing in Punjabi. I love potatoes.
I
Say
love
it.
potatoes.
Yeah. Going to Diljit Dosanjh's concert. This is your like mock
He doesn't
exam.
say potato in his song.
You
He
should
might
still
say, I don't know.
You should still know something. I mean, I like Tiger Shroff. I started going to the
Potato
gym.
is aloo.
Yes.
I
is
like-
menu.
Menu. Aloo.
Huh?
Pasand.
Yes.
Say.
It's at least say it properly.
मैनू
in a
आलू
full
पसंद सी
sentence. C is past tense. It's like I used to love potato.
ओके आलू पसंद है
Yeah. Oh, well done.
थैंक यू
Oh, okay. What else? I love. Oh, I'm gonna exercise today. Say that in Punjabi.
आई डोंट थिंक आई नो दैट मैं गर्दिश
Gardish.
व्हाट डिड यू से
Vardish.
वर्जिश मैनू वर्जिश करना पसंद है
Yeah, that's actually correct.
रियली
That's actually correct.
See?
Oh my god. Listen, you came like more than prepared for this episode. There's something wrong in the air. How do you know all the
Give
tongue
me-
twisters?
oh.
You guessed all the songs. Now you also know Punjabi.
I'm secretly born in Punjab.
Yeah, okay, fine. Whatever.
Give me something maybe hard. I know the simple ones. I know the simple language.
Okay.
I'm a good learner.
Okay, let's take our situation from today and make it into Punjabi. I'm going to shoot a podcast today with Sidra. In Punjabi.
I am.
Huh?
मैं يعني من मैं.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again, what's the?
I'm gonna shoot a podcast today with Sidra.
How do you say shoot? Like, do you say shoot?
Shoot.
मैं shoot. That's
Same,
not
same.
Punjabi then.
You wanna do like proper Punjabi?
It's something I can learn from.
Well, then you and I should go together. Well, I have so much to learn. Okay, wait. Give you a Wait.
So far, I'm winning these challenges. and
Yeah, I don't
she's-
know. Like the
She
only
needs more lessons in Arabic.
the only place I think I won slightly was the outfit.
Kudos on that.
Apart from that, I don't know. Okay. How do you say I am fine in Punjabi? Exactly Punjabi you have to say.
मैं वदिया.
Correct. Listen, can you just say we'll see them in the next episode? That is accurate Punjabi.
Yeah.
Main vadiya, yeah. I mean, you have to obviously add main hu, ha, of course, but you got the main part of the sentence.
Yeah, like the shortcut.
Yeah, you got the shortcut. like a Punjabi would understand what you mean.
اوكي حاولنا نعلمكم اللغات بس طلعت الاخت ما تعرف لا بنجابي ولا عربي. What are you good at? English?
I think so. If I start speaking English here, I feel like I'll be bad at that.
You're under pressure, you don't know anything.
I'm under pressure, yeah. I'm super like,
بس اهم شيء انها لبست اليوم بنجابي.
I was very prepared
ويت
today.
as a بنجابي بس اخر شيء
Yeah, whatever.
انا فزت عليها.
But I feel like I did well in Arabic department.
شطورة.
Shatur.
ما اعرف شو قلتي بالعربي اللي كان
Yeah.
good بس يلا.
Agreed.
I'll give it to you.
Thank you.
نشوفكم ان شاء الله الحلقة الجاية. عندنا موضوع ثاني للحلقة الجاية وراح يكون مسلي مضحك.
Meaning?
تعبت انا اعلمها صار لنا 6 سنين اعلمها عربي.
I think after this episode, I will even forget English. No, if you are you trying to say we'll
How
meet
do you
in-
speak it at home? Do you speak Urdu?
No, we speak Urdu and English mix.
Very well.
English.
English. You speak English.
We speak English, yeah.
يلا تعلمنا شيء.
This
أنا
is like-
تعلمت.
This is like, you know, calling me out in public and embarrassing me in
تعلمت
front of
قب.
3 cameras.
تعلمت قب. So we'll
Yeah.
be using GUP now.
Yeah, we're
A
going to
lot.
use GUP, yeah. GUP, bad podcast.
بعد بودكاست. خلاص انتم تكتبوا الكلمات اللي انتم تعرفونها من اللغتين وبنشوف اذا تعرفون عربي. اذا انت يعني بنجابي تعرف عربي واذا انت عربي تعرف بنجابي راح تتعلم اليوم في هالحلقه ان شاء الله. مني
Tell
أنا.
them in the comments if they know like more Punjabi or like other things. They can let us know. Yeah.
شكرا.
Bye.